In this video, we will learn how to add Google Keep in Google Drive. So let's start. This is my Google Drive. In Google Drive, right hand side have some app icon. This is the second Google app icon. This is a Google Keep. Okay. Just click on this Google Keep. Here the Google Keep. Open. You can here take the notes. Just click on the take notes option. You can add here the notes and click on the done. Suppose I enter the sum A, B, C and click on the done option. The note is added here. Okay. Now just click on the three dots. You can delete these and archive these, and you can just pin this note also if you want to first these notes. Okay. Here also you can add a new list also. Okay. Just click on it and you can just add the list. If you want to add some list, you can add list also here and click on the done. And if you want to open in new space, new tab, just click on this arrow, click on the new tab. The Google Keep is open here. Now you can use this all tabs, the notes, reminder, edit label, archive and pin. There are some settings also in available in Google Keep. So hope you understand how to use the Google Keep with the Google Drive. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.